hard part later. Do it like this. Wait. Okay. You're gonna do this. Do not join this, guys, because it's gonna be annoying. Do it twice on the sides, on both sides, because I don't know, like this, like a mini boat without the sides. Now make it to try a now make it like a mini boat. Oh no. Oh no. Fixing this. Okay, do it like this. Hold hold the remaining straps like this. Now open this up like this. Make sure that these things don't come off because it's gonna be annoying. Now you have this square like this. You see this? This is the square. I know it's not like a square though. Now all you need to do is take the foldable part, fold it like this, and do the same with the other side. Wait, let me fix it. It takes a lot of effort to make these things. What? Wait, it's broken. Let's fix this. Okay, I fixed it. Just pull this part and voila, you have it. It's kind of